Since day one, I have been mesmerized by your grace and femininity. I remember thinking to myself all the time that I felt like a regular man, and you are a goddess. Looking at you right now, I still feel this way.
I could stand here and tell you that I've dreamt of this day my whole life, but the truth is, I never thought a love like this was possible for me. And yet, CJ, you shattered every belief I once held about love.
Hey, you look beautiful.
I now pronounce you truly married. Get that kiss.